Story of my life. Story of my life. La 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 la. Story of my life.
Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Shannon. Thank you so much for stopping by today. In today's video, we will be using the Pastel Goth palette by Kat Von D to create a pastel springy look. And I'm back, not permanently full-time right now. There's some things going on. My daughter has to have dental surgery. We have to pay our taxes, which we ended up having to pay a little bit more than we expected. But that's okay. My husband's a 1099, so he actually made double what he made last year, which is awesome. But yeah, we kind of have to use our summer vacation fund to pay it. So I did purchase the Blue Blood palette, and I'm going to film a review when I get that palette. I filmed a BoxyCharm unboxing because I got the Boxy Luxe, and I deleted the footage. Like, as soon as I went to edit it, I accidentally deleted the footage. It was a hectic morning. My daughter started daycare, and I'm really excited for her because it's like preschool now, because now she's 3. So yeah, I just wanted to come on and tell you guys that I miss filming, but I definitely needed this break. I quickly became obsessed with chasing the YouTube dream. I would catch myself every time I'd pick up my phone, I'd check my subscriber count, my watch count, the comments, and, you know, compare myself to smaller channels, and there's just no need for all of that. It just got to the point where I wasn't doing it because I loved it anymore. So now I have realized, like, back up a minute. For those of you who are new to my channel, you probably don't know, but my followers know, I used to run a makeup group on Facebook for like 2.5 years. And that took up a lot of time. And it's like when I stopped doing that, I realized how much I enjoy spending time with my family and binge watching Netflix with my husband. And we've been going out of town a lot, taking the kids to water parks and just going out of town just randomly. So it's been really fun. We bought a new couch, which was something we had been talking about doing for like 2 years. So long story short, I'm going to slowly start filming again. And I'm not going to cancel my channel or anything. I'm not going to stop filming. But I haven't bought a new palette since the Riviera palette came out. And then now the Blue Blood palette. And it's like those weeks in between there, it was really nice having all that extra money that I usually spend on makeup. So we've been budgeting and paying off some debt. And I don't know, life's just been really good. My husband and I are in like one of the best places we've been in our marriage, and my daughter is so smart and growing up so fast, and my 9-year-old will be 10 in June. And yeah, so long story short, I'm back, and I can't promise you guys that I'm going to be filming, you know, 3 times a week, 2 times a week. I will try to do once a week, if not every other week. And then when I do get a new release, I definitely will film a couple videos with those. And I'm sorry for the broken promises for the videos I said I would film. All I can say is that I don't think that I was ever meant to be famous on YouTube. I love filming, but I forgot why I loved it. I forgot, you know, the whole I don't want to monetize, I don't want to get huge, I just wanted to do this to have fun. And I forgot all about that because I was chasing the dream way too hard. So, without further ado, if you guys would like to see me use the limited edition Kat Von D Pastel Goth palette to do a fun pastel look, then keep on watching. I'll be right back. I have my face makeup on. The lippy is Aurelia by Menagerie Cosmetics. Let's go. finished look, and wasn't really what I was going for, but I did a look similar to this. It's way down in my Instagram feed, where I did like the dark blue purple and then the blue, but I don't know, I just wanted to play with some pastels. I've been in a very springy pastel goth type, not like the palette, but like the aesthetic pastel goth. My planner has a bunch of like pastel stickers with like goth girls all over it. I don't know, that's just kind of the mood I've been in lately. So I ended up putting some chunky glitter in my inner corner. I used my ColourPop Purple Prose mascara, and for my highlighter I used Snowflake by ABH, and of course Lolita for my blush, and Aubergine for my eyebrows. So Charlie is not feeling good. So she had a fever all weekend, and her and hubby Dearest are home now, and she's got a runny nose, and I need to go to the store and buy one of those like booger snatcher thingies that suck all the boogers out. So let me zoom you guys in so you can get a close-up of the look. I love, oh, I just shook my whole ring light. I love doing these all matte looks. I don't know why it's so blurry, but I love this palette. One of the things though about it is you have to keep reapplying. You have to build up the color and the pigment. It is kind of chalky, but I love doing ombre looks, if you guys know. I didn't want this to be a cut crease or anything shimmery. I just wanted it to be chalky, pastel, and bam, in your face. I asked my husband how it looked, and he's like, looks pretty wild. So I guess I accomplished what I was going for. This was limited edition. I think it was like $45. This was actually this is the second palette that I got when I got back into makeup 2.5 years ago. So when this came out, I won it in a makeup raffle, and I've had it ever since, and I love it. You guys, my nails are so terrible. I'm getting them done this weekend, finally, after we pay our taxes. So yeah, that's it. If you are new here and you enjoyed this video, I would appreciate it if you considered subscribing to my channel. Like I said in the beginning, I'm not getting rid of my channel anytime soon. I will be filming more and more. I'm going to gradually build back into it, but we have a lot of vacations planned this summer. We're going to Vegas, Chicago, Boston, and Virginia Beach. So I will still be filming. I'll be doing some vlogs and some stories and some lives on my Instagram. So I will hopefully have my Blue Blood palette this week, the end of this week. So yeah, anyways, so if you're new here and you enjoyed it, don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell, let me know what you guys thought in the comments down below, and give this video a big old thumbs up, and I will see you guys next time. Thank you so much for stopping by, and thank you everyone who is sticking by me through finding myself, I guess, finding the inner glam, and yeah, so anyways, before I ramble too much, I'm going to go pick up dinner and go help Charlie get rid of her congestion. I love you guys so much.